special videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on Thursday after risk appetite fell on banking concerns, whilst the Fed's decisions not to increase quantitative easings also lent support. The greenback ended the day at 1.2540 to the euro and 80.27 to the yen. Next to the euro. The euro gave back early gains following publications of banking stress tests in Spain, which showed banks would need 62 billion extra to insulate them from the crisis. Risk appetite was further hit by the news from rating agency Moody's, which said it would be downgrading 17 major global banks. The single currency ended the day at 100.67 to the yen and 0.8041 to the pound. Today's data includes the IFO Business Sentiment Survey. British pound. The pound rose as first after the release of strong retail sales figures, but then gave back the gains on expectations of more quantitative easings and concerns from the UK's banks following Moody threats of the downgrades. The sterling ended the day at 1.5590 to the dollar and 125.14 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen fell after the US held fire on more quantitative easing, increasing the attractiveness of the dollar as a haven investment versus the yen where more easing is still expected. The yen ended the day at 80.27 to the dollar and 100.67 to the euro. And now the section you've been waiting for, markets tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to prolong positions above 1.257 with 1.2475 and 1.244 inside. The downside penetrations of 1.257, which will call for 1.261 and 1.264. If we trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to prolong positions above 1.569 with 1.556 and 1.5515 as next targets. The downside breaks out at 1.569, which will open the way to 1.5735 and 1.5775. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to prolong positions above 80 with 80.55 and 80.8 inside. The downside penetrations of 80, which will call for 79.65 and 79.4. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.